Hello, MacBlogs here, aka Ian. I am officially back here in the UK, and more specifically I am in Glasgow tonight, and something new, something very new, not new as in content. I am in a hotel room, surprise surprise, but a new hotel. So this Clayton hotel is 1 month years old, so it's only a month old, and tonight I am staying in a deluxe and double single room. So I've got a double room, double bed, and a single bed. So a deluxe and single room, deluxe and double single room. That makes sense. Something like that. I'll put all the information down below in the description box as normal. Tonight is a Friday night, and I managed to get this room for £99 for one night, which I think so far is a great deal. Location, it's hard to explain, but I'll try and get some videos in there with clips. It's hard to record the lobby area, the reception area, and the kind of bar area when there's people around. I don't want to invade people's privacy with the camera, but if I can get some clips in, I will put them in some point in the video. If not, apologies, but the price so far that I have paid is just a great price. The view, location, I mean the feel of the hotel, yes it's new, but it's really nice. They've kept a lot of the old building that was here before and made use of that space and light as well. So I know it's hard to kind of explain that without clips, so I will try and do that if I can, put the clips in. But anyway, if this is your first time watching me, thank you for watching, and if you follow me, subscribe me, welcome back again, thank you. So this is going to be a room tour of the new Clayton Hotel here in Glasgow city centre, pardon me, and let's take a look around this amazing room so far. Amazing, my favourite word. If you don't follow me, that is the word that I always use, my go-to word. So as soon as you come in, people, plan, make sure you know where you are in case of emergency, put your key card in, and you have a lot of space in this room as soon as you come in here. So my bag, my shoes, so you can unpack here, put your shoes in there or anything else that you see fit. And look at this space. I'll do a quick walk into the room and an overview. Gives you a feel of this room so far. So I like the way it feels and the decor. Very Clayton-esque hotel. So I have stayed in Clayton hotels before, more specifically Manchester Airport, but that feel, that kind of superior, exquisite feel. The only thing that I think lets this room down is there's no fridge. So there's no fridge in this room. I thought that was the fridge there, but there's not a fridge in this room. But apart from that, you have everything else. So again, this is a single and double room. So look at that headboard, the lighting as well. So there's no main light in the kind of bed area. So you have your lights there. You've got a light just at the window there, above the window. We'll cover more of that in a moment, but let's go back a little bit, reverse, and we'll go into the bathroom or wet room in a moment. But let's take a look at the, oh, we've got little hooks there as well, missed them. See, I'm missing things already. Let's go into wardrobe space where I have my jacket and jumper hanging up just now, but great storage space, towels, ironing board, safe, and storage areas. They do have a laundry service here, which I'll quickly scan because it can be useful. It's been making the noise of a 15-piece band. If you wish to pause the video, you can have a look at the prices in more detail. So that's that. Let's see if I can get this one. Whoop. So cushion hangers, normal hangers. So yeah, that's that. Get the hairdryer there as well, hiding in the corner. And that's your storage space. It's a great space there. Just as you walk in, mirror. So a tall mirror here, power outlet, bin. You get a thermostat here for your room temperature. Nice TV. This is just my stuff here, so obviously I've got iron brew, obviously. But here you have, so this is my socket here, this is my 3-point USB socket, but you've got a USB point and two sockets there. Like I said, no fridge, so that's a storage space. Here there's a pull out drawer for your kettle, 3 mugs for this room, 3 spoons, and you have your instant coffees and your tea as well, in mugs. Storage space there, nice chair, mirror, lamp. I do like this space, so you can, rather than lie in a bed, you can sit here, table, the view. Like I said, it is a nice view. I will show you what I can of the view. I need to go back and put the lights off for that, so we'll do that at the end. And I'll also, it is dark outside just now, so I'll show you what I can. So I'll put 2 clips in, so I'll try and remember tomorrow if I can, and I'll put that clip in tomorrow once there's more to see out there. So light, lamp, light and light, power socket with a USB point, and the same over there as well. Nothing that side for the, because that's a bed as well, but just this side here with the phone. You do have these lights here. Now I spent about an hour trying to figure out how to put them off and I couldn't find it, but there's these switches underneath right there. I put them off. It took me forever to try and figure that out, and I stay in hotels often, so yeah. Nice picture there. I love the feel, I do. It's just very, very clean because it's new, but I don't know what it is I like about it. I really don't. It's just it's a really, really nice feel of a room. Makes you feel very comfortable. It's my colours as well. I like the colours. Like kind of cream colours. Don't know if you could guess with my bag, the cream and khaki colours. So let's go into the bathroom with no bath. The weight room, again because it's very, very new, it's all nice. However, regardless of that, look at the shower. So you've got the handheld shower just there, oop, there, overhead, grab rail, have the complimentary hair and body wash, very, very big shower, towel, very big sink, glasses, tissues, charging points for your shaver, and soap as well. This nice big mirror. I'll try and step away so you can see the mirror, but nice mirror with a light around it. I like that. Shelving underneath there, bin, and the toilet in that section there. So very, very nice room. Now I haven't slept in the room yet, of course, but in fact I'm going to go back and put these lights off. So it's going to go dark in a minute, so hopefully I don't fall over. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, maybe not. It's aha. Let's put these lights off just as well. I know how to put these off. And this one. There we go. one more. Can we get this right? Yeah. And the view is, oh, table. It's a really nice view of the Clyde. Look at that. It's a nice view. Look down below me. You can see this skyline. What do you call that? Roof light idea. Now that there goes right down into the bar area, and it looks really nice. I will try my best to get some clips of that tomorrow and put it in the video. But look at that sky. Really nice. Great location. Right, let's go back and put some light on before I fall over something. Oh, that's bright. And we are back. Hey. Short and sweet, I know, but that is the room tour. This is the Clayton Hotel here in Glasgow city centre. Again, I haven't slept here yet, but I'm looking forward to it because I'm really tired tonight, as you maybe probably tell. But yeah, hopefully that helps. I will put in some information down below, some more information regarding this hotel. This has all been paid for myself, it hasn't been gifted. The Clayton Hotel's got nothing to do with this. This is just myself, booked this hotel room, staying here tonight, and thought I'd bring you this information because I wanted to come and see it as well, because it's brand new. So if you want to have a look at the kind of guest services, I'll put this clip in just now as well, so you can have a look at that. And you can scan that QR code and that gives you some information, and you can have a look at the website as well. This is a non-smoking room. But yeah, that's really it. So there's nothing really else to show in this hotel room, and again hopefully I'll put in some clips there of the hotel itself because it is really nice. If I haven't, I have taken pictures of the hotel and the lobby area and everything else, so you can follow me down below on Instagram, Facebook, etc. if you want to see those videos. But yeah, hopefully that's helped. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, then you know what to do. If you don't want to, that's cool, that's fine. And for all of you that follow me, thank you very much for following me, thank you for subscribing, and of course I've got a lot more trips and cool things coming up as well. So until then, until next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye.